Won't believe what happened again, man. You just can't win for losing, man. They done broke into the baby. They tried to strike my shit, man. It is what it is, though. We got watch on these motherfuckers, man. About to get this bad boy fixed.
Oh my God. Oh, hell no.
Get this differential fixed and get a new window, man. We ain't broke around here, so I ain't even tripping. I can do y'all thing. Thank you to CompuStar, man. They definitely saved my car. I ain't gonna lie. CompuStar, you did your thing with your alarm, cause this bad boy went off and they definitely dipped off. So I'm proud and happy. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so we got it dropped off, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm sad as hell. I gotta put this bad boy in there, but it is what it is. It's better than nothing, man. Bad boy sitting here. They about to work their magic on it and see what they can do. And we're gonna see how fast we can get this car out, bro. Cause man, it's summertime. I wanna turn up with the car. If I can't do that, then I gotta sit for the summer, bro. But I'm not tripping on it, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I still got it. I'm happy that it's still here. I'm happy that nothing worse happened to the vehicle. It's a broken window right now. Everything else will be sorted out in time. I got new, bigger, and better things coming as far as work. So I'm not tripping or crying or complaining about anything, man. I'm happy at how blessed I am because things could be worse. I can't wait to get this bad boy out, man, and drive it like it's supposed to. Now I got the 3.09 diff on there. I'm going to be sliding, you feel me? We're going to upgrade the tires. We're gonna have wide body tires on the car, actual wide body tires and not the spacers, since everybody complained about the spacers for some reason, and I understand what you're talking about. So it's finna be crazy, man. I can't wait. Love and appreciate y'all, man. I'll see y'all in the next clip or next video or however it is, back when we figure out what's going on with the car, man. So right now I'm on my way, man, in the old dust bucket machine. I'm heading to one of my favorite little spots right now, my favorite junkyard. It's not the best, but it got the cheapest window that we possibly can get right now, and they literally just got a couple charges in. So I'll get to y'all when I'm in the spot, man, getting ready to pull. For those who have never in their life been to a junkyard, welcome. This is where you get all your discount parts, anything budget. You see a lot of people probably taking pisses on the floor, taking pisses in the car, stealing all type of car parts.
Oh, you nasty.
This is definitely the place to be at when you need something. The thing I hate about it is coming on a nice, rainy, murky day. It's a big mess, man. Stepping in all type of mud and stuff. Usually y'all prepared for it. I'll put on some boots. They say the first car is in row 33. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to the car. Hopefully they ain't take the window, because you know they know people be stealing cars. So yeah, I'm praying. I literally looked through every row. There's like 2 cars left right now, and I'm starting to think, honestly, I ain't gonna find it. Because see, the thing is, with these junkyards, you got your scalpers, like how they do Pokemon. They come in here and take the parts that everybody need, and they know that they need charger parts. You see what I'm saying? So they come and take almost everything. They buy it out. These cars literally came in today. I'm sitting back looking. I don't see none window in none of these cars. I'm starting to think this might be a blank mission, man. I might have to go to a different junkyard. Oh, here it go, right here. Windows gone. Look at this. This is what they do, man. See this right here? It's literal scalpers, bro. Cleaned out. Took the dash and all. You think you gonna find something up here?
Nope.
This is crazy. So we got one last car, man. Row 52, space 26. What you do is you'll take a look at the side of the cars. Most of them got this, and they'll have it numbered. As far as the rows is concerned, I couldn't tell you. This side got the higher numbers, and that side down there got the lower numbers. I'm just praying that I find the car with the windows before one of these goddamn take them, you know what I'm saying? They scalping. I might as well ask them where I can find the window for the car at this point. I know they got it. Yep. There it go. That's the last of the chargers, man. They done scalped every charger in here. This is crazy. Well, today was a blank mission, man. I ain't gonna lie. Now we gonna go to a different junkyard, man. I'm gonna pull the camera back up when I pull up, man. This is depressing, man. Not gonna lie, I did forget to record, but we ended up getting our window, man, and I'm not gonna lie either. Y'all will not know the location of this spot because they got untouched chargers, and y'all ain't getting none of that. So this will be for me, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that?
I'm just happy I got this out the way, man, because I was so tired. Y'all don't understand what I went through, man. I mean, y'all pretty much gonna see it. As much as I cut, never again, man. I'm making sure that we 100% straight as far as windows is concerned. So I 9 times out of 10 will be taking 2 of these, the left and the right side for the back, because we do got weirdos out here that don't got no money and they're broke. Yeah, man, I don't know where I'm going with this video, but we're going to find out when I get back to the cribbo. I'll appreciate y'all. You like that, man. Hey, you like that, man. Stop playing.
You's a freaky ass nigga.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited. I got this bad boy out. I forgot to record most of what was going on, but you get the gist of it. You know what I'm saying? I can kind of show y'all a little bit. Nah, I can't. I can't show y'all the right way because I pretty much broke it to get my hand in there. So whatever you do at the junkyard, don't do it to your real car or you're gonna have problems. Love you. Hey, that was not for y'all, man. Hey, boy, you a little sweet, man. This for the ladies. Come here, ladies. You know what's crazy about this stuff? What I realized, it's like, after all this and what I got going on right now, landlord trying to raise my rent, all type of little stupid stuff, man, I'm still kicking, man. Look, I'm not tripping, crying, or complaining because we still had the option to be able to come here and even get this in the first place. I still had another vehicle. It's the thing, like, you gotta realize how blessed you are to still be alive, still be able to do certain things. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be happy for what you have and be appreciative, because the man upstairs, he has a way of taking those things away when you don't appreciate it. And he also has a way of testing. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've definitely been tested a couple of times. Real life, tired, but the whole time it is what it is, though. I ain't even tripping about it. That's just a window. Might happen again. At least I know where to go. I love and appreciate y'all, man. I don't know what we're gonna do or where we going with this, but hopefully it's me getting my car back and we got the differential in. Next video probably be me sliding with the differential since I got it on. So it's gonna be a good time, man. I got it back. 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 Oh, bro, I got my baby back, man. My heart hurting, bro. They don't understand. Other shop, bro, I'm never, bro. I don't know what RMG, bro, but I'm never, bro. Never again, bro. It ain't no way. For less money, mind you. If I came to them first, bro, they would have got everything together. I wouldn't be spending so much, bro. In total, I literally spent about $1,600, bro. $1,600, bro. I'm looking for my phone when I'm sitting there talking to y'all. $1,600 though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Try this shit again, bitch. Oh, wow, I'll be ready next time. Oh, bro, if it is the next time, I'm gonna be fucking ready, bro. Damn, that shit is crazy, bro. Hey, tell them stop playing with me, folks. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, the Chicago in me just came out, but let me get back to my YouTube political. Okay. I ain't never been so happy in my life, bro. These people telling me, oh, there's no way in the world that it could because of the kill switch in the car. Okay, cool. I take it back to the dude who put the kill switch in. He put in the work, bro, and his mug right back and running. And then they done did a hack job on the transmission, bro. This man had to reconnect the transmission. Come on now, bro. Y'all had the nerve to charge me all this bread and they even do the job right. But they came and did the job right, bro. Man, I'm so excited. You know how long it's been since I heard this? I'm back, baby. What are you talking? I'm back. Man, that is crazy. I can't believe it. I ain't gonna lie though, we gonna have to chill out on the social media proclivities though. I'm probably not, but it's back. I ain't gonna lie.